So, it's come to my attention that some of y'all out there aren't thanking your T cells every day for just doing their job and keeping you safe. Well, we're putting an end to that in this video after you realize just how nuts your immune system really is and how dedicated it is. P.S. This video is not a general overview of immunity, just some of the weird and brutal parts. I just read that, I'm trying to pad. So, basically, here's the rundown, right? So, your immune system is in your body and can be infected by all sorts of outside threats, like T4 bacteriophages, which is 99% of the time harmless to humans, malaria, but those guys eat bacteria, so we're good. So, those are some of the usual suspects. Now, there's two types of, your immune system, which is kind of the theme here. There's innate and adaptive. Most of your immune system is located in organs, bone marrow, tissue, stuff like that. There's multiple different types of cells that do different stuff, too. The first step of your cells protecting you is basically protecting you from outside threats, like guardians, kind of, little tiny, squishy guardians. Because your immune system is pretty cool, it has more than one defense. Some others are mucus to trap pathogens, stomach acid for food and digestion, skin, which blocks most incoming bacteria, and inflammation when blood rushes to the site. Now, there's a thing called histamines, which alerts your other cells. Say a cell encounters some harmful bacteria. Your cell contacts histamines, which allow blood cells to rush into the site and trap the bacteria. It's like those police helicopter chases where they say, "We have you surrounded," as troops pour out of vans in a circle formation. Then it gets real interesting when the white blood cells show up, which are the cells who fight off pathogens and harmful hobgoblins. Now, another type of white blood cell is called a phagocyte. Say a white blood cell encounters a meandering evil bacteria, and the bacteria says something hurtful to the white blood cell. Because it's a phagocyte, it can straight up absorb and eat the bacteria, swallowing it into its cytoplasmic mass. When it's done, it just resumes as normal. Also, this adaptive immunity is only found in vertebrates, so if you, own a spine, congratulations, you have all these neat features, hopefully. Adaptive immunity also allows your cells to recognize the same threats over a period of time. So, when that threat does come back, they can handle it the same way, like how you get better after you have the flu. This is also the basis of how vaccinations work. The pros of this is that, whenever your cell does get attacked, instead of it just capitulating to idiots every time, the adaptive immunity DLC lets them recognize again when they inevitably come back for seconds and hence fight back. So just remember that when you feel safe and sound on the outside after you get a quick shot in the arm, your cells could literally be in an active war zone so you don't get sick. Alright, bye friends, hope you don't get sick, don't get corona.